Yes. So in the last session, we discussed about various operators available in the Python. Okay. Today, we look into the strings here. Strings and what are the methods available with the string, how you can manipulate the strings. We look into that today. Okay, so this is going to be here another file I create. I'm creating another file called fifth.py. So this is made for manipulating the given strings. Python has many string related functions. Using that, we can perform various operations on the given string, like converting to uppercase, converting into lowercase, finding a substring in that. Okay. Similarly, whether it is alphanumeric or simply alphabet or ASCII or decimal is like all digits. So for various things, actually, we have different types of functions. With the help of that, we can manipulate the given string. Okay, string manipulation, it has, here, very rich library in the Python. Okay, first thing, we enter from keyboard a string, then we convert into lowercase. Similarly, we convert into uppercase and we print the result. Okay, there are many functions available in the string, string related, something like lower and upper. These are two important functions. Also, we have a trim function. So using trim, we can, remove both trailing as well as leading spaces in the given string. Okay, we can remove them. So first look into here, the, lowercase function as well as uppercase function. Okay, we go with the both lowercase as well as uppercase. So it is not basically a trim function, it is a strip function. We don't have trim, we have actually strip. With the help of that, we can actually remove leading as well as trailing specified values. By default, it's going to strip the spaces. First, we look into these functions. Okay. Now, here first write program to manipulate strings. I don't import any library because not required. In the core Python itself, all these functions are available. String manipulated operators. Okay. So now first I want to input a string from keyboard. Here write str or just str or just go with s equal to here or just put here input sent or input sentence. It is nothing but here input sentence. This equal to here I enter input. Right, please enter. Please enter a sentence. I try to enter a sentence now in this. This method is going to display prompt for us. Input basically to read data from keyboard. We use it first of all displays. Please enter a string prompt on the screen. In response to that, when you type and press enter key, the value goes into input sent. Okay, here we try to print now the result. We go this way and go with the print statement. Then here in this write okay. Go with the F string. Right here, this one. We go with this input sent in, or right, when converted to uppercase, it's going to be here. We need to convert it to uppercase in this. Okay. For that purpose, we need to use a upper function. The function is here upper. Okay. So we take input sentence followed by dot. Write this as upper. We are going to convert it to uppercase. So this is the string. Then using dot upper, we can convert the given string into uppercase. Similarly, and lowercase, it's going to be here input, then dot lower. We enter in this manner, then try to print it. So whatever we enter from keyboard, here in this, it is going to convert into uppercase, and in this is going to convert into lowercase. So these are the predefined functions available with the string. They can convert the given string into here uppercase as well as lowercase. Okay. Similarly, I was talking about string. But before that, we go this way, print here. Again, go with the F string, the length of, okay. So the length of, or instead of saying length, number of characters in, we write here input sent. Okay, is here. We need to find the length in the given string. Okay, we need to find here the length of the string. So in such case, we have a len method. With the help of len, we can find it. How many characters we have? We can find here using a length function. Here write len followed by, and give here the input followed by sent. This can give how many characters are in the given string. Now first, let us run this and see the result. What do we get? This statement basically prompts the user to enter a string. Once user types a string and press enter key, that goes into input sent. Then after that, what it happens? It is getting converted to uppercase as well as lowercase. It's going to print. And using F string, we can substitute the variable in the curly brackets here. So this is going to print the value as it is here. Then after that, number of characters in input sent is length followed by input sent. Like this we have given here. Now we need to run this. For that purpose, just go with the CMD. Then here in this CD followed by Python samples. Folder name is Python samples. And in this, let us see what files we have. We have fifth.py. Then type here Python followed by fifth.py. Okay, now I enter like welcome. So how many characters we have? Total 7. And welcome has to be getting converted to uppercase as well as lowercase. And at the same time, it has to print there are 7 characters in that. Okay, so it is not converting. Reason, I haven't given entire name there. So it should be input sent. Now again, run this. I enter here, welcome. What it says, welcome when converted to uppercase. Here it is welcome, and lowercase is welcome, like this. Let us try to show them in double quotes. We can show them in double quotes. For that purpose, instead of going with the double quotes here, I can go with the single quote. I can put here single quote. In the end also, I put a single quote. That is the starting string and that is ending string. Then here, I want to go with the, okay, in double quotes, I try to put this. Here also I put double quotes. Then similarly, again, I put double quotes here. Here also I put double quotes. Then similarly, again, I take here double quotes, then try to put in double quotes. What happens now? See the result in such cases. If it doesn't give error, no problem. But if it gives errors, in such case, we need to go with the, escape sequence. Again, I enter here, welcome. What is happening now? Welcome, when converted to uppercase, it is welcome, and lowercase also welcome. In double quotes, we are highlighting that. We are highlighting in double quotes. Okay. So here we are converting into uppercase and we are converting to lowercase as well. So whenever you go with this, it is going to return some other variable. Input sense dot upper, when you say, it is going to convert into some other string in that case. It is returning here another string. Okay, normally you should write like this. Write in this way. Upper sent, this equal to, we write here input sent upper. Okay, similarly, go here with the lower sent, that means lower sentence, lowercase sentence. You can write this as input dot, go here, input sent dot, write this as here lower. It is getting converted and here shown in a, assigned in a variable. Instead of assigning to variable, on the fly also it can be evaluated. Input sent dot upper, it's going to convert and going to display. Now here let us go with the upper sent in this place. Then similarly here we go and put the lower sent. It is going to be same. The result is going to be same for us. Again, run this here. What we get, see in this. It is welcome. In such cases, welcome when converted to uppercase, it is welcome, and lowercase, it's welcome. Like this, it is getting converted. Okay, this is getting converted. And how many characters we have in this? There are 7 characters. Now suppose if I run like this, I put 4 spaces followed by here I put welcome. Then again I put few spaces. When I press enter key, what it says here? Okay, welcome when converted to uppercase, you have spaces before this, and here also have spaces before that. And length is how much here for us? 12. Having spaces in the beginning or in the ending, there is no meaning. Okay, there is no meaning for that. In such cases, we have to trim that. Trim means what? Trailing as well as, reading spaces, we have to remove. So how can we remove? Using strip, we can remove that. Okay, here write strip sent, another variable I am declaring, means sentence. Here I write input sent. Okay, input sent followed by dot. I'll write this as strip here. I'm going to be stripping this. Okay, now let us print here in this. We go with F, then write here number of characters after removing trailing, okay, trailing and leading spaces. I'm trying to remove trailing as well as leading spaces, and in this I put strip sent. A strip put sentence I'm going to put in that. Okay, right, in this manner, then this is going to be stripping and showing us the result. Now again, here try to run. Same thing I enter here. I put 3-4 spaces, then followed by welcome. And after that, I put 1 or 2 spaces like this. Okay. So it is not printing anything here. Number of characters I have given. It is not printing anything. Reason, I haven't used any length here. I should go with the length. Then I should keep this one here. Okay, now it is going to print here how many spaces that is. I haven't used length function. Because of that, it was not printing it. Here again, give certain space, then followed by welcome, and put some spaces, press enter. Okay, now what is happening? This is totally containing here 16 characters, including spaces. But when I go with the strip, what is happening? The leading as well as trailing spaces are getting removed. I'm removing both leading and trailing spaces. So when they are removed, the length is how much here? 7 for us. Because it contains only 7 characters. So therefore, it is going to print 7. So here using length, you can find how many characters are there in the given string. Okay, it can print how many characters are there in the given string. Okay. Similarly, I have entered a sentence. Then with what character it is starting and with what character it is ending, let us test it. Okay. So here, next one, right here, start, str, here write, input, please enter, starting part of the string using which you find, followed by slash, and I put here whether the input string, input sent, is beginning with the specified, beginning with, okay, just go with the beginning with. Now we are going to write into that particular thing. Then now here, I want to find whether the given string is going to be starting with the start str. So here write bool, we cannot put like that. I mean, is starting. This is going to be variable, is starting, followed by, I can go with the input sent, then here starts with, followed by whatever sentence I have, I'm going to give here, start str in that case. So in such case, it's going to be printing if it is true. Otherwise, it prints false. Then here write, again print function, then go with the f string here. Here use double quotes. And in this, we go with the input sent. Okay. Then is starting with, what is that? Start str. Is, again here go with this, then we go with the is starting. is starting. I'm typing whether that is true or false. I want to print. Okay. Now let us go with the application again. Run here. I just go with the welcome. Then after that, what character we have to check? I enter WE. What it says, the welcome is starting with WE is true here because it's starting with the substring WE. Similarly, I enter again welcome. Then here I try to check. I enter just EW. So in such case, what happens? It is going to say it's false because it's not starting with the EW. It is starting with W, but it's not starting with the EW. So therefore, here in this case, it is error for us. Okay, not error, sorry, it is false. So the welcome is starting with EW is false, but earlier when we enter WE, it is starting with WE is true. So using this, whether a string is getting started with the specified substring or not, you can find. Okay, so this is also a method available for the strings. So using starts with, whether the given main sentence is starting with the substring or not, you can find. Similarly, you can try with the ends as well. Okay, this is for the starting, and for ending also you can put. The next thing here, write end str equal to, write this input, enter, ending, substring. To check with, okay, to check with. So like this, we have written, followed by here, again, is ending equal to, we write here input sent, then dot ends with. We'll go with the ends with. Then in this, we specify the end str. So in such cases, what it prints, see. We take this and paste here, then try to see here. The input sent is ending with okay, it is what here, end str is here false or true, we set. In this manner, how it is working, we are going to test it. Now come here and try to run in this, enter a sentence, say this as welcome. Okay, here, please enter the enter starting part of the string using which you find whether the input string is beginning with. I go with WE. In such case, it says true, but welcome, COME. I just leave here ME. In that case also it is true. Welcome is ending with ME is true here. So like this, you can find whether a string is getting started with a given substring or not. Similarly, whether it's ending with the specified substring or not. Because welcome is ending with ME. Similarly, welcome is starting with the WE. Like this, with a given substring, whether a string is starting or ending or not, you can find. Okay, so this way what is happening? You are manipulating the strings. Similarly, we have like other things. Okay, you have welcome. In the welcome, you want to find a string. Whether string is available in that or not, we can check. Suppose you take welcome, WELCOM. I want to find out whether COME is part of the given string or not. Okay, then here write, this is what, search str. This is equal to, I write input. Please enter a string. Please enter a string. We can test whether it is part of main string. Okay, this is search str. Now here we try to find it. Here write POS equal to, then it is here input sent, followed by dot here, then find, and in this you can go with the search str. Okay, whether that particular substring is part of the main string or not. If it is part of the main string, where exactly in which position it is, you can print. Okay, here write print, go with the F string here. In double quotes, this is going to be here str is, okay, is at POS in the given string. Okay, I go here in double quotes, I put like this, and I substitute that here. So that is going to be, it is input sent. It's going to be input sent like this we have. Okay, and this is what here search str, in which position it is we find. Now once again try to run this. Okay, enter sentence, go with the welcome. Okay, first thing is what? I go here with L. It is not found. Similarly, ME we put, it is found. And I want to print here this time a substring. I want to enter here COM. What it says, com is at 3, at 3 in the given welcome. Okay, in the welcome, we have WELCOME. Where exactly it is available? It is available at the third position. W at the 0 position, E is at 1 position, L is in the 2 position, C is going to be in the 4th position. So sorry, 3rd position. W is at actually at the 0 position, E is at actually which position? 1, L is at 2, and C is going to be at the 3rd position. Okay, in the string, the character started, very first character starts at 0, and the last character we can access using length -1. So it is in the 3rd position of the given number. In the third position in the given string. The string is what here, welcome. In the 3rd position, you can find that. So we are finding here in the 3rd position. Okay. So we are printing this as here 3rd. Because .com is part of the welcome. So W is at the 0 position, E is at the 1st position, L is at 2nd position, C is going to be the 3rd. But in fact, that is 4th position. Since the very first element is starting with 0, we call this as here third position. It is printing here 3. Instead of going with the upper, this must be input sent. We need to give here. We have to give this as input sent. So in that position, it is actually, available in the main string. Like this, using find, you can find where exactly the substring is occurring in that. Okay, a substring where it is occurring in that, you can find. It is basically with the, find method we find. Similarly, you can use the index as well. So using index also, you can find that. Index also searches the string for a specified value and return the position where it is found. Same thing like find. So in the case of find also, what is happening? We are getting here, in the case of find also, it can find the position. where exactly it's available, it can find, it can give us. Okay, so here even you can go with the index. So using index, you can be finding here where exactly it's available. Similarly, we can check in this manner. I have here a cent like this. I define cent equal to, I want to go here with the, okay, I want to go here like this ABC 1, 2, 3. Now I want to test it. Print here in this print, the string contains, the string contains okay, the string contains only alphanumeric characters. Okay, alphanumeric characters is here. We go with the, in this what we do, we can use a function called is alpha, okay, is alpha num. So with this we can find, but before this we need to go with the, which one? Input sent. Not input sent, this is here sent. I have declared another variable, sent dot is alpha num. In this manner I can set it. So I should go here with the f string as well. And I use here a single quote. Here also I use here a single quote. This way, whether it is a alpha, it contains alphabets and digits or not, we can find. Okay. Similarly, we take same string, then write here whether it contains only alphabets or not, we can find. Whether this is going to contain only alphabet or not. Only alphabets is, here we go and try with another function called as is alpha. So this is going to be here is alpha. We check like that. Now see, this should be giving us actually true value, and this has to give us here false value. Let us see in this what happens. Here go with the print, then followed by here go with some underscore like this. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay. Now in this, whether it's containing only alphabets or not, it can find and give the result to you. Okay, let us try to run this again. Go here, then try to run. Enter sentence. Again, I enter here, welcome. Then followed by WE with the type test. Then here, okay, I enter. It is false, it's saying here. Please enter string. I can test whether it's part of the main string or not. We enter COM. It says, okay. But after that, what it's saying, the string contains only alphanumeric characters is true. Okay, the string contains only alphabets is false. Because inside this, you have both alphabets and next thing is what? Digits. That's why this is wrong. Now, next thing, I go with sent Then here in this, I want to enter like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now in this, I want to print here whether it is containing only digits or not. Okay, whether it's containing digits or not, we can find here. So go with this and copy this and paste here. Okay, paste here. Then the string contains only digits is what I can put here is digit. We put like here is digit, then try to print here what it says for us. Again, we run here, just try to see, enter welcome. Okay, WE we enter, it's false. Similarly, okay, we enter OM, ME, uppercase I enter, in this case also false it is. Then we go here with the WE, it is at the 0 position. The next thing is what here, the string contains only alphanumeric characters is true. The string contains only alphabets is false. The string contains only digits is true. Like this, it is printing for us here. Okay, it is containing only digits because you have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like this, you can perform various operations on the given string. So these are related to string. There are so many functions available with string. You can manipulate the strings. Okay, you can manipulate the strings in such cases. Okay, you have here like upper, then lower. You can find whether the string is part of a main string or not. Similarly, in which position if it is, then whether it is containing only alphabets or numbers or alphanumeric. So you can find in that manner. Okay, so you have various string methods with the help of that different types of string operations you can perform. String is nothing but sequence of characters. The string is here, sequence of characters. There are many string methods which you can use in the real programming. Okay, whenever you go for programming in such case, you can actually use them a lot. All these are related to string manipulation. There are many such things, but I have told you only few from that. Okay, only few from that I have shown you. These are related to string manipulation. Okay, depending on the requirement, you need to use all these things. Okay. Now, next thing is, we have one function called swap case. With that, what happens? It can convert uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase. Okay, now I go here, welcome only we have. Now in this case, swap str is the variable. So in this, I go with the input sent, then followed by dot, and here I go with the swap case. The case is going to be getting swapped in such cases. Okay, now try to print here. Here we take it, then write. Okay, I remove this here. Then in this, we delete that, sorry, we delete that. Then here, put in this manner, it is what input sent. When swapped, it's going to be here. Again, here we need to close the double quotes. When swapped, again put inside this double quote. Okay, immediately there should not be spaces basically. Remove the spaces. When swapped, here it is swapped str we have. So this way we are trying to swap it. That means what? Uppercase should become lowercase and lowercase should become uppercase. Let us again try to run this here. Go with the welcome. Then here, so here in this case, I enter with the WE. It is true. Then ME, it is ending with that. Okay, COM, this also returns true for us. Then what is happening? Whenever we converted welcome to, whenever we swap case, in that case, what is happening? This welcome is becoming like this. That means lowercase is becoming uppercase and uppercase is becoming lowercase. So like this, it can convert. Automatically, the cases are getting swapped. Lowercase is becoming uppercase and uppercase is becoming lowercase. Okay. Similarly, I have one more sentence in this. Like here, I want to put some NTPC equal to here, right? Like National Thermal Power Corporation. So this is the sentence I have. National Power Thermal Corporation, NTPC. That I want to convert to, okay, everything actually in the lowercase in this case. N is lowercase, thermal is going to be uppercase. Okay, and P is also in this case, in this manner. Now I want to convert this into here, which case? Title case. That means every word in the sentence is going to be starting with capital letter, rest are going to be lowercase. Even thermal also is going to be converted, power is going to be converted, corporation also going to be converted. Then here come to this point, then print here, print, followed by here F, then write here. Okay, here it is, NTPC. Okay, then here, when converted to here, title case. So this is going to be here. Again, we take double quotes, then in this write this as NTPC, then followed by dot title input. It is actually title case for us. So this is going to be a title case. We are converting into title. So what it prints, see now in this. Okay, go to this, then again run this here, enter sentence. We go with welcome only. Then we can print with here WE. This time it says false, and ME we enter. This is also false here. Then try to enter COM. That is true. Okay, but what is happening? The National Thermal Power Corporation, when converted to title case, it is exactly what? National Thermal Power Corporation. What is happening in such cases? The very first character of every word is uppercase. Rest of the characters are going to be lowercase. So like this, we can use here a title. So using title, we can actually, we are going to convert into, when you have a sentence, whether it is in uppercase or lowercase, it's going to convert into title case. In a title case, every first character of the word is going to be uppercase. Rest of the characters are going to be lowercase in the given string. Okay, in the given string, it is going to be in that manner. Okay. Similarly, we have a split function. So using split, you can split the given sentence. Okay, you can split into multiple words. You can convert into multiple words with the help of the split function. And that is going to give us a list. Here we go with this. What we do exactly? Here, NTPC, write LST. This equal to, here we go with the NTPC title, then followed by here, then dot. It will be, in this case, split. I'm going to split this based on here space, I want to split this. In such cases, I should have a list, then print here, this into print, followed by here, ntpc, lst. LST, like this, I can actually split into multiple words. So in the list, you have that. We are going to get a list. Now just try to run again this one here. Here we type welcome. Then we try with the WE, and this is ME we put. Then again we go here with the GTH, and we are trying to search for something. Then what it's saying here, National Thermal Power Corporation, whenever we split, in that case, you have 4 words. First word is national, second word is thermal, third word is power, and fourth word is going to be corporation, and they are part of the list. In the list, we have those elements. National Thermal Power Corporation are going to be 4 elements which are part of the given list. In the list, you put it. Okay, in the given list, you can put it. National Thermal Power Corporation, we have in the list, they are part of the given list here. Okay, you have total 4 elements in the given list now. So the string we have converted into here into a list using the split. Split is a function. Using that, we can convert into a list here. How many words we have total? 4 words we have. They are getting converted to, in this example, into a list. List is a data structure again in the Python. In whatever order you insert, in the same order it's going to be retaining. We haven't so far started about the list, but here in this example, it is converting the given string into here number of list items. So the list is going to contain those items. So like this, we have functions related to string. These are few functions, but depending on the requirement, you can use the functions available with the string. So here I have shown you few examples in this.